Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy brokered CDs on ETrade. We will walk you through the steps needed to successfully purchase these financial instruments. Brokered CDs are certificates of deposit that are offered by a broker and can provide higher interest rates compared to traditional bank CDs. To start, you need to have an ETrade account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up on the ETrade website. Make sure to fill out all necessary information and complete the verification process. Once you have your account set up and funded, you are ready to begin buying brokered CDs. Next, log into your ETrade account and navigate to the account dashboard. Look for the section that deals with fixed income investments, or CDs. You will see various brokered CDs listed along with their details, including the interest rate, term length, and minimum investment amount. Take your time to review these options and find one that aligns with your financial goals. Once you have identified a brokered CD that you want to purchase, click on it for more details. You will have the option to enter the amount you wish to invest. Review all information, including fees and terms, before confirming your order. After placing the order, you will receive a confirmation of your purchase. Your brokered CD will be held in your account, and you can monitor its performance over time. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy investing.